In this video, we are assembling the Christmas light ornament. So this is one of those slice forms that you can put a light in the center of. I have my other pieces here I'm going to show you drying under my mat. You have 6 of these. I've added the vellum. I put green vellum on here. That's just what I had. But I'll show you a trick that I learned with some of these lights when we get to the light part. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these pieces on the tip. And again, actually I'm going to switch over to do this piece so I can get it under my mat and drying. I like to dry it under my mat so that it helps it to dry flat, because it does tend to roll up a little bit, and I don't want my vellum to get too wrinkly. So I just saved 2 of these to show you how to put these together. It's pretty simple. There's several different styles of this one, but what I had thought was nice about making it like, if you look at it, it's kind of shaped like a light bulb, the old-fashioned, the big light bulbs for a Christmas tree, is that you can tie them all on a string and you can use them as like a garland, or you can hang them from your ceiling for party decorations, and you can make them all different colors like the lights are. So now on this one, we're going to add this front and back. Okay, so this, you have a smaller piece and a large piece. You've got, you can see your cuts in the shapes are all on different sides, and then you have one piece where you have it on the top and bottom, and then you have, so I'm going to start with the one that's on the top. Yeah. Slide it into the top and then lift it up and put it over the bottom. So this one you're going to slide up from the bottom and then lift it up and slide it in. Okay. And then we've got these pieces, and these pieces hold it all together. And it's very tight, okay? Oh, especially if you have it in the wrong ones. And so I'm just kind of curving this center piece down so that I can slide these in. Okay. And then you just want to make sure that all of your pieces are all the way in your notch. Okay. Then you're going to do the same here with the bottom. Okay, now we've got all of those slid in, and it holds it very secure. So for the lights, now if you get a tea light, like the little candle ones, you need a small one. You need one that's like an inch round. So you have to really watch that. But what I like to use, I like these. These are balloon lights. These are for a balloon. And it has a tab here that you can pull out, and then it turns on. And it can slide back in. Just slides between the batteries. But the nice thing about these is they're clear. I've tried doing this on the tea lights and it doesn't work, and I think it's because the candle part is not this hard clear plastic. But what you can do is you can take a Sharpie and you can color this light. I'm coloring this one red since the main part of my ornament is red. And when you turn this on, your light is going to be red. So I'm going to pull the string again, and now you can see that it's shining red. So I really like doing that with those. And I got these from AliExpress, and I think I got like 100 of them for $10. But they have them on Amazon as well. Let me get my panels out. And then we'll put that in here so you can see how that works. So the smaller, the more narrow end obviously goes towards the bottom, and then you want to just slide this on in to the top. It may be better to roll it a little before you put it in, just so that it's curving the right way. So I'm just gonna kind of curve all these because they're kind of curving the other way. And then we can drop our light in. And I know with the lights on from and I'm just kind of pulling these up. Darn. And it's hard to see with the camera lights that it is shining red. And there it is. There is the Christmas light. ornament. Thank you for joining me.